Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Raticate. At the center of the paper, I'm drawing a circle. The circle is for the head of Raticate. After drawing that circle, I'm going to draw another circle for the body. Right over here, I'm drawing a curve for Raticate's nose. At the bottom of the curve, I'm going to draw another curve for the mouth. Moving up top to the nose, we're going to extend the line just a little bit, and after that, we're going to draw in the little spikes on Raticate's head. As you can see, I'm just drawing zigzag lines for the spikes. Now we're going to move over to the nose and draw in the little nostrils. All you need to do is draw a little dash mark going up. Moving over just a little bit, giving some space, we're going to draw the eye. To draw the eye, I'm drawing an acute triangle. And inside the eye, we're going to draw the pupil. So right in the middle of the triangle, we're just going to draw a line going down, and that's going to be the pupil of the eye. Moving over to the right, at this line, we're going to draw a curved line going outward just a little bit, and after that, drawing a line straight down and curving it into the head. Now we have the basic shape of the ear. We're just going to define it just a little bit. Starting at the top, I drew a line down, and in the middle I drew a triangle, and at the bottom I just curved it in to make the shape of the ear. After that, we're going to draw the inside of the ear. Right here I drew a small line going down and curving the line out and bringing this line all the way back to that small line. Moving over to the left side, we're going to draw the mouth. Right over here, I'm drawing a little curved line just like a smile, and on each side I'm drawing a diagonal line, and at this corner I'm just making the teeth. Moving over here, I'm drawing a line slightly slanted going down, and I'm drawing a curved line to make the shape of the mouth. Right here I'm just doing a lot of erasing just to fix the shape of the mouth, and after that I'm just drawing the bottom teeth. At the top of the head, we're going to draw the second ear. Right here I'm drawing a line going up and bringing that line down halfway, and doing the same thing to connect it to the head. Right here, I'm going to draw one line for the inside of the ear. After that, we're going to draw the whiskers. Right below the eye, giving some space, I drew a small line going up and a horizontal line going straight across. After that, I just followed the same shape, drawing the second line below it. Raticate has 3 whiskers. For the second whisker, I'm going to draw a line going straight out and creating a point. For the last whiskers, if you notice, I'm bringing the last line outwards, going down and creating a spike. Once you're done drawing that whiskers, it's time to draw the next whiskers on the other side of Raticate's face. I'm just doing the same shape like we did before. One going up, one going in the middle, and one is going downwards. If it's helpful, you can think of the letter W. Nice, we drew Raticate's face. Now it's time to move on working on the body. As you can see, I just drew a curved line for the front of Raticate's body, and in the middle I'm drawing a zigzag line for the fur. And right across, giving some space, I'm drawing the same thing, some zigzag line, and in the middle I'm drawing 2 lines slightly angled. After that detail work, I'm moving towards the right side of the ear, and following the shape that we drew before, that circle, I'm just drawing random spikes for the back of Raticate. Cool! We drew in the body, now it's time to draw the hand. Moving on the left side, right here, giving a little space from the chin, I drew a straight line, and this is sort of the hard part, drawing the fingers. Starting halfway of this line, I drew a line going down and curving it up for the thumb, and as you can see, I just drew a little small curve. And right over here, I drew a line going up a little bit and going down and curving it up to make the letter U. After that, I drew a line right here, a little small line, and for the third finger, I went straight down just like this and curving it up. And to complete the hand, I just made another curved line connecting it to the body. Ooh, look at that smooth camera panning. I'm going to adjust the camera to draw the next hand. I don't know if you noticed, but after that amazing smooth camera panning, right across from the left hand, giving space in the middle of the body, I'm drawing the next hand. As you can see right now, I'm drawing a pentagon shape for a basic guideline. Drawing hand is one of the hardest things for me to draw because it just looks weird. Sometimes it doesn't even look like a finger. But right here, I just drew the first finger of Raticate, and the middle one, I don't know how to explain it, but if you can draw it, you can draw it. Try your best to copy or imitate what I'm doing right now. Sweet! Now we're going to move on to the feet. Right over here, as you can see, I'm drawing a shape for the feet, just like this. It looks like a little small house. And on the other side, I'm doing the same thing. Moving to the left side of the foot, at the top line, I just darkened it and drew a small line going down and a line going straight across, following the guideline. And for the bottom toe, I drew a line going down, right over here, and connecting it to the body. For the second foot of Raticate, I'm just going to speed it up because it's a little similar to it. At any point of the video, you can pause it to follow along. After we're done drawing the feet, we will draw the tail. To draw the tail is very simple. All you have to do is just draw a curved line, and for the second line, just follow that first curved line that we drew and connect it to the body. After you're done drawing the tail, we're going to draw the detail lines inside of it. To draw the detail lines, all you have to do is just draw small curved lines inside. Alright, now we're done drawing the tail. We need to draw a line for the body, separating the skin and the fur for Raticate. I don't know how to explain this part, but I'm just gonna let you watch and follow through what I'm doing.